Good
Happy
morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Good morning, Ashika Didi.
Good morning, Radhika Devi. Good morning, Avian. Okay, only this. Good morning, ma'am.
I will speak good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Oh, no.
morning, everyone. Good morning, sweetheart. Ayantika, Divyanshi, Akhil, Kavya,
Ma'am.
Adira,
Ma'am. Ma'am.
all say
Ma'am.
okay. And Riyan Gosika, Virat,
Ma'am.
yes, Thanu, Anvi, Deshna, Ayan, Adya, and well,
He knows my name. Ayan.
Arush, Manasvi, Tara, Aditya, Sukru, Jeet,
Hello.
Raj, Arham, Amaya,
Ma'am, Arham wants to speak.
Arham wants to speak. What do you want to speak? Please speak.
I know today's story, Dev and Kavi.
You know what?
I know the story of today, Dev and Kavi. Today,
Oh, well,
Kavi will do
you are
mistake.
very smart, I know. You're too smart.
Nice.
Okay.
Gather windows.
Good afternoon,
Abigail.
Ma'am को video
And Vedansh, Sayansh, Mukta, and Heminder, and what?
Rashi.
I'm not able to understand. Can you please say again?
Then Mama. Rashi tank.
Okay. I'm not able to understand what are you saying. Please say normally and clearly. All right. Okay. Good afternoon. Okay. Well done. Wow. Hi, Saranya. Hi. Hello. Hi, Adwi.
Happy birthday!
Oh, happy friendship day to you all.
My name is
My best friends.
Yes.
You all are my best friends, bestest friends. And you know, happy friendship day. Will you all tell me? Tell me, who all of you? Okay. Now, okay. Everyone listen to me now. Okay? Shall I say? Okay. Now tell me who all have done work by themselves today properly. Give your hand. Who all have done work by themselves?
Frashi and Shambhu.
How many of you? How did you do? Did you just do just like that? Or did you do properly? In the back teeth, the jump teeth, the front teeth. Did you all do properly? Tell me if you all do properly. Yes, well done. I know. You all are so smart. Now tell me one more thing. Did you all do brush properly all the teeth? Did you all counted how many teeth you have in your mouth? Let us all count. Can we all count our teeth? Let me see how many teeth do you have. Shall we count?
26. I am the
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Count. Divyanshi, count. Adya, count. How many teeth do you have?
Count your teeth.
Again, count. Find out how many teeth do you have in your mouth. Count.
How many?
Yes. I have 32 teeth. How many do you have? I have already counted. How many you have? Tell me. Just tell me how many teeth do you have? You didn't count. Adira, did you count? How many teeth do you have? Abhyan, Deshna, tell me. Manasvi.
20.
21. My God. 21. 22. Advik, how many teeth do you have?
320.
Saranya, did you count? Arham, Yuvraj, Rija, Abigail, Anvesha,
चश्मा ना जास्त मोबाईल
yes, Krish Madhav. Now you didn't count. I didn't see counting your teeth.
28.
Dayansh, I also 28. Dayansh, you also don't count.
Yes, sir.
I got here.
Yes, very good. Now, did you count?
I have 31 teeth.
My God, 21. My God. Well done. Okay. Well done. Good. Now, will you all tell me who has done morning chores like calling your mama papa in the morning? Raise your hand. Just show me. Raise your hand. Who have done the mama papa in the morning? I love you. If you have not done, do it right now. Go run to your mama papa and love them. Hug them. I love you, Papa.
I hug
Yes. Advik,
Hello.
come on, just
Yeah.
go love Papa. Go love Papa. Gupta, Manasvi.
Excuse me.
Yay! Anna, go love Papa quickly. Go. Dance just quickly. Kavya, fast. Yuvraj, well done. Well done, all of you. Adya, are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy, Adya? Okay. Good job, everyone. Now tell me, you all have drink water in the morning. Just tell me. You all have drinking a lot of water. And now well done, Divyanshi. You have not drinking. Wow, very nice. Feeling so nice. Now bring your water. Bring water and drink with me. Come on. Drink water. Good job. Well done, Yuvraj. Coconut water, brilliant. But you didn't tell me how many glasses have you drinking? How many? How many glasses did you drink? 10 glasses. Wow, 10 glasses. How many glasses did you drink? Wow.
Can we clap?
Give me high five. We all
I have mentioned yoga.
high five. Yay! Well done, all of you. Okay. Now, do you know why do we drink a lot of water in summer season or in hot days?
Immunity.
Yes, and that's why we drink a lot of water.
Drink water for level.
Water for
The
what?
body.
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
Drink water so your body gets on level.
Yes, hydration level. Your body's hydration level is maintained. Well done. Good job. Very fantastic. You are so smart. Wow, great. Very nice thought. Good job. Okay. Now I'm going to mute you all. Do you know why? I want to show you all the activities which you all have done. You know what? I have received so many good activities, photos and videos. I'm just so happy. You all kids do great activity. I love you all. Shall I show you? Show me thumbs up. Shall I show you quickly? Yay! I will show you. Just give me a minute, okay? Let me share my screen with you. Okay. Are you able to see my screen? Show me thumbs up. Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
There we go. You know my name? I know so many of you know my name, but still I'll tell you, okay? My name is Sakshi and I am a personality development trainer. And do you know what is my favorite thing? My favorite thing is playing with kids all day long. I can play throughout the day. That is my favorite, I love to play with kids. So, let's move forward. Let's see the best activity we have received. So many nice activities. First, we have got Arna. Wow, Arna, I love your activity. You have made beautiful handprint activity. You have done about printer, and also you have made a rocket, paper rocket, and beautiful colorful dinosaur. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah? Please see everyone. Isn't it great? Very beautiful, Anna. Very creative. Well done. Please clap for Anna. Good job. Well done, Anna. Well done. Good job. I'm so proud of you, Anna. You are such a nice girl. Okay. After Anna, we have got Viraj. Wow, Viraj, you have actually...
Come here.
Just a second. Okay. Okay. Yes. So, after Viraj, we have Viraj. Viraj has done hand painting and coloring potato wheel, painting different shade primary and secondary colors. My God! Isn't it amazing? Isn't it amazing, Viraj? My God! You have done so many activities. First of all, I want to say, well done, Viraj. You are doing so many activities. That is wonderful. Brilliant, and that too, very beautiful and very neat. Great. Well done, Viraj. Well done. Good job. Clap for Viraj. Please clap for Viraj. Good job, Viraj. Well done. So proud. Next, we have got Kavya. Kavya is you have drawn a girl who is studying. My God, Kavya, it's so creative. You have drawn it. It's so beautiful, so pretty. Well done, Kavya. Please clap for Kavya. Well done, Kavya. Brilliant. After Kavya, we have got Vidansh. Can you all see how beautiful artwork Vidansh has made? Vidansh has actually just a second. Just a second. Vedansh has actually made handprints, butterfly, drawing and coloring, ice cream using basic shapes. Wow, Vedansh, it's amazing. It's amazing, Vedansh. Clap for Vedansh. Well done, Vedansh. Well done. Okay, after Vedansh, we have got Divyanshi. Divyanshi has actually helped her mama to bake a beautiful cake. Can you all see how beautiful cake it is? Gems cake. I love cake and that too with gems. Beautiful, very tasty, Divyanshi. And also Divyanshi has made butterfly, jellyfish, rabbit with colorful papers. And she has made a pen holder with bangles. My God. Giving message to be happy. Divyanshi, amazing. You have done so many activities and that too very beautiful and very creative. Your drawing art is amazing, Divyanshi. Well done. Please clap for Divyanshi. Well done, Divyanshi. Well done. Good job. I'm so proud of you. After Divyanshi, we have got Divija. Divija has made so beautiful Rakhi for Raksha Bandhan. So creative, Divija. Your Rakhi is so pretty, just like you. Well done, Divija. Please clap for Divija. Job, Divija. Well done. Very nice. After Divija, we have got Sukhrup. Sukhrup has also done so many activities. Just look at it. Beautiful, Sukhrup. You have recited a poem on numbers. You have used blow color painting, watercoloring, things made from circle and colored them. Sukhrup, you are very, very intelligent and very creative. I'm so proud of you. You have done so many nice activities. Loved it, Sukhrup. Please clap for Sukhrup. Top, Sukhrup. Well done. Well done, baby. Well done. After Sukhrup, we have got Ayush. Ayush has also made such a pretty Rakhi for Raksha Bandhan. Well done, Ayush. So creative. Your design is really pretty. Very beautiful. Well done, Ayush. Please clap for Ayush. Well done. Well done, Ayush. Well done. Okay. After Ayush, we have got Sayansh. Sayansh also has made so many beautiful things and he has done a lot of activity. Let me tell you, he has done painting with coffee powder, pen stand with bangles, photo frame from a newspaper and flower pot with bottle and thread. Isn't it great? Sayansh, you are very creative, my boy. Very creative. Well done. You're so creative and so artistic. Well done, Sayansh. Please clap for Sayansh. Well done, Sayansh. All the best. Well done. Very good. We have got now Sharika. Can you all see how pretty coloring and drawing Sharika made? Sharika has done beautiful drawing and coloring. It's so cute and so pretty, just like you, Sharika. It's so nice. Keep doing such nice coloring and activity. Well done. Please clap for Sharika. Well done. Good job, Sharika. And after Sharika, we have got Rajvi. Rajvi has actually recited a poem and she has done art and craft with thumb printing. And Rajvi, I would say you are very confident with the poem. It's so nice. Well done. Well done, Rajvi. Please clap for Rajvi. Well done. Your artwork is also very creative and very neat. Very nice, Rajvi. Well done. After Rajvi, we have got Yuvraj. Yuvraj he has learned to make chocolates, vegetables, hand painting, and he has learned hula hoop. Isn't it great? Yuvraj is amazing. You know hula hooping. It's so good. Please keep on doing it. We should all learn hula hooping. It's very interesting. Ask Mama Papa to learn how to learn hula hooping. It's really nice activity. It's so much fun. Yuvraj, well done, baby. Well done. Your artwork is also very nice, and I love your hula hooping. Well done. Please clap for Yuvraj. Well done, Yuvraj. Well done. Good job. After Yuvraj, we have got S. Vedha. Let's see what S. Vedha has done. Can you all see my screen? She drew a very beautiful fish. So colorful and so pretty. Isn't it nice? S. Vedha, I am so happy. Your fish is so colorful and so beautiful, just like you. Well done, S. Vedha. Please clap for S. Vedha. Good job. Well done. Okay. After S. Vedha, we have got Adya. My God, Adya. Adya has made 2 duck puppets, and one with a mask and other one without mask. She is showing about coronavirus that we should wear mask. Adya, that is so intelligent of you. Very smart. Whenever we go outside, we should always wear a mask now. It's very important. It will protect us from coronavirus, right? Well done, Anna. Adya, well done. Good job. Well done. Please clap for Adya. Well done, Adya. Good job, baby. After Adya, we have got Inchara. Inchara has actually made paper puppet of sea animals. Wow, it's so pretty and so creative, Inchara. I love it. So good. Well done. Please clap for Inchara. Well done. Well done. Good job. Isn't it great? After Inchara, we have got Deshna. Deshna has actually done a brilliant coloring in the flower. It's so colorful and beautiful flower. So nice, Deshna. I love it. It's brilliant. Very good. Please clap for Deshna. Good job. Well done, Deshna. Well done. After Deshna, we have got Manasvi. Wow, Manasvi has also done so many activities. Let me tell you. Drawing using pencil shavings. Made a teddy bear and butterfly. Finger and thumb printing. Amazing, Manasvi. So creative and so intelligent. I love it. Please clap for Manasvi. Manasvi, well done, baby. Very nice. Keep doing such nice activity. Well done. After Manasvi, we have got Ayantika. Wow, Ayantika. Let me tell you, Ayantika has also made 8 planets and favorite dwarf planet Pluto. Wow, Ayantika. I must say your drawing is really pretty, huh? Very nice coloring and very nice planets you have made. Very nice, very intelligent. Good job, Ayantika. Keep doing such nice activities. Please clap everyone for Ayantika. Well done, Ayantika. Well done. Good job, baby. Good job. Loved it. After Ayantika, we have got Riyansh. Can you see this cute smile of Riyansh? Okay, Riyansh has actually made a family drawing of his mama, papa and everyone. And he has also helped his mama cooking rice khichdi. And also he has helped cleaning dishes. Riyansh, you are such a responsible boy. Well done, Riyansh. I'm so proud of you. Well done. We should always help our mama, papa. I'm so proud of you. Well done, Riyansh. Please clap for Riyansh. Well done, Riyansh. Well done. Good job. Well done, Riyansh. After Riyansh, we have got Advik. Wow, Advik. Advik has done a very nice puzzle activity. And he has actually solved 4-letter word puzzles. And he helped with the help of picture cards. And he also made fish clay activity. Well done, Advik. Very creative. You're very smart. I know that. You're a very smart boy. Well done, Advik. Well done. Good job. Keep doing such nice activity. Well done, Advik. Please clap for Advik. Well done, Advik. Good job. Keep doing such nice activities. Good job, baby. After Advik, we have got Avyen. Let's see what Avyen has made. Avyen has actually made a thumb painting. Very creative, Avyen. Well done. Please do such activities. Your drawing is really nice, Avyen. Well done. Please clap for Avyen. Good job. Well done, Avyen. Good job, baby. After Avyen, we have got Sanskar. Just a second. Yeah, Sanskar has actually made painting using different techniques. Can you see how nicely Sanskar has made things? Wow, Sanskar, I'm so impressed. I'm so happy. It's amazing. Well done. Good job, Sanskar, using different techniques. Good job, Sanskar. Well done. Keep doing such beautiful artwork. It is amazing. Your artwork is really amazing. I'm so happy. Well done. Well done. Good job. Now we have got Vedansh. Okay. Vedansh has actually done handprints, butterfly drawing and coloring ice cream using basic shapes. Well done, Vedansh. Your drawing is really nice, just like you. Well done. Keep doing your beautiful artwork. Please clap for Vedansh. Vedansh, well done. Good job, baby. After Vedansh, we have got Arya, Anvi and Shivesh. You know, I didn't get their pictures, so I have just put their beautiful artwork. So next time, please send me your pictures, so I will show your pictures also, okay? But well done, Arya, Anvi and Shivesh. Good job. Your drawing is amazing. Well done. Please clap for Arya, Anvi and Shivesh. Good job, baby. Good job. You know, you all do a lot of activity, and I know that you all are amazing kids. That's why it's okay. Let us all clap for ourselves, because we all do great activity. Shall we all clap? Let us clap. Yay! Good job. Now who is ready for today's story? Show me thumbs up. Who is ready for today's story? Even I am ready. Yay! But let me just quickly remind you the story which we heard last time. We heard the story about Dev and Kavi, right? Dev and Kavi are cute little kids just like you all. They also want to play and a lot of fun, but they also learn new things every day. So let's see what did they learn last time. Let us just remind, okay? Last time they have learned so many things. They have learned that, you know, one day Dev and Kavi were playing and they said, let's play football. So Dev said, okay, I will do the kicking of the ball. You go and stand in front of the net. So Kavi said, okay. Kavi stood in front of the net. Then Dev kicked the ball 1 time, again 2 times. And Kavi stopped the ball because she's a very nice goalkeeper, right? But then Kavi said, I also want to kick the ball. Please let me kick the ball. Please let me kick the ball. But Dev said, no, it's my ball. I will only kick the ball. So Kavi said, okay, let's do it 1 more time. Then again Dev kicked the ball 1 time, 2 times. Now Kavi said, please Dev, please also give me chance. I also want to kick the ball. But Dev again said, no, it's my ball. I will only kick the ball. Then Kavi said, oh, you're not giving me your ball. You're not giving me chance. Okay, I'm going now. I'm not gonna play with you anymore. So she went away. Now Dev said, huh? What happened? Why Kavi is not playing with me anymore? What happened to her? But then Kavi went away and Kavi went to Uni Didi. And she said, Uni Didi, Dave is not giving me his ball. He's not giving me chance, and that is why I'm not going to play with him. But Unity said, "Oh, Kavi, you should not be sad like that. Did you think what is the problem? Why Dave is not giving you chance? Did you think about the problem?" Then Kavi said, "Let me think. Oh, maybe he doesn't know that we should always give chance to each other. We should play one by one. One time my chance, one time your chance. Maybe he didn't know that. That is why he is not giving me chance." Then Unity said, "Brilliant, Kavi. You found out the problem. And when we find out the problem, we always look for solution." Everyone say loudly. We always look for solution. Absolutely correct. So then both Kavi and Unity went to Dave and they asked, "Dave, now do you know why are you sad?" Dave said, "I don't know, Unity, why Kavi is not playing with me anymore." So Unity said, "You know, Dave, you didn't give her chance. We always play in turns. One time your turn, one time Kavi's turn. Because you didn't give chance, that's why Kavi felt bad and she went away. Now do you understand the problem?" So Dave said, "Yes, Unity, I also got this problem and I also got the solution now. I'm sorry, Kavi. I will not do the bad thing again. We will always play in turns. One turn your turn, one time it's my turn." Then they both became thickest of friends, right? Now let me ask one question. Shall I ask? Show me thumbs up. Shall I ask you one question? Okay. So suppose you are playing in a park, or suppose you are playing in a school with your friends on a swing. What will you do? No, it's only my turn. I will only swing on the swing. Or you will say, "No, it's okay. I will swing in turns, one by one. One time my turn, one time my friend turn." Show me your left hand if you will say, "No, my turn only, my turn only." Or show me your right hand if you play in turns. Show me. What will you do? Yes, well done. Well done, Adya. Well done. Everyone, well done. Good job. Vedansh, Esveda, Saranya, Ryansh, well done all of you. See, I told you all of you are amazing. Advik, well done. Well done all of you. You all are super smart. Well done, Ayantika. Good job. Well done. We should always play in turns. Good job. Now, let's hear today's story. Okay, Dave and Kavi. So let's see what happens today. Kavi learns sharing. Sharing is caring. Very good. So one day, Kavi was just playing in her house. La 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 la, la 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 la. Then she saw something really nice. Wow, what is that? She quickly ran to it and she saw, wow, beautiful colorful crayons. Wow, something new. Let me see what it is. She took and she found beautiful, bright, colorful crayons. She became so happy. Wow, it's so beautiful. My new colors. I'm going to do coloring today. Then there came Dave. Dave said, "Hi Kavi, how are you?" Then Kavi said, "Hi Dave, I'm very happy." Great! Please tell me, why are you so happy, Kavi? Please tell me. Kavi showed her crayons and showed her drawing. See Dave, my new colors. I am coloring with my new colors. Do you see my drawing? I am going to fill beautiful colors in my drawing with my new bright crayons. Then Dave said, "Yippee! New colors! Such beautiful colors you got, Kavi. We can use them for coloring all our drawings." Then he asked, "Will you share with me, Kavi? Will you share your new colors with me? We will do nice coloring." Then Kavi said, they are mine. And I will not share my colors. They are my new colors. I will only use them. I will not share. I will not share my new colors. So Dev said, why let me see. Then Kavi said, I will not share my new colors. They are my colors. I will not share. Then Dev again got surprised. He said, but we always share, Kavi. We always share with our things and toys with our friends. Because sharing is caring. He then again asked, I always share with you my things. I always share my football and toys with you. So Kavi, he asked again, please share with me, Kavi. I want to do coloring with you. Please share your colors with me. Then Kavi said, no, they are my colors. I will not share my new colors. She was a bit rude, Then Dev said, okay, Kavi, you're not sharing your colors with me. Okay, I'm going now. If you're not sharing at all, I'm going. Bye. So he went away. After that, Kavi also felt a bit sad. But then Dev first went to the park. There he met whom? He met Uni Didi. Yay! Colorful, bright Uni Didi. Uni Didi said, hi Dev, how are you? Why are you sad? Now Dev said, I am sad because Kavi said no to me. She said she will not share her new colors with me. And Kavi is not sharing, but I always share my colors, my things and my toys with her. But she said no to me. She's not sharing her colors with me. Oh, so what is the problem? Why do you think she's not sharing? Did you think about it? Just think. Use your brain. Think. Why Kavi is not sharing her colors with you? Maybe Kavi doesn't know that she doesn't know that we should do sharing. Maybe that is the problem. Oh, if we have a problem that we always look for, say loudly, we always look for solution. See, we always look for solution. Say loudly, everyone say loudly. We always look for solution. Absolutely right. Whenever we have any problem, we never cry. We always look for solution, or we can ask for help from Mama Papa or from elder Didi Bhaiya and from teachers, right? Absolutely correct. We always look for solution. So Uni Didi said, we always look for solution. Then, what will be the solution, Dev? Think. Come on, use your brain. In this situation, what will be the solution? Make Kavi understand or make Kavi know about it. Let us talk with her about sharing. Right? Oh, they've also got the solution now. See the sparkles. Now they became happy. Oh yes, Uni Didi. Let her tell about sharing. Maybe Kavi doesn't know that we should always share our things and toys with our friends. So let us go and talk to her. So they both went to talk to her. But Kavi in the house, she was a bit sad and she was thinking why Dev went away. Dev is not playing with me. I really miss him. He's my best friend. I want to play with Dev, but he's gone. Why he is gone? Then came Uni Didi and Dev with all sparkly and shiny. Then Unity said, "Hi Kavi, why are you sad? What happened to you?" Then Kavi said, "Dave is not playing with me. Dave is not playing with me. He is mad with me. He's not playing. And I don't know why he's not playing with me. I don't understand." So, then Unity said, "Kavi, did you find the problem? Did you identify why Dave is not playing with you? Did you try to find out the problem?" Then, "Dave is not happy with me. I think he's not playing with me. He doesn't like to play with me." Then Unity said, "You should share your things with your friends. You know, you didn't share your crayons with Dave. That is why Dave got upset and he went away. Now do you understand that you should always share your things with your friends? Yes? Do you understand now?" Then Kavi also got the solution. And Kavi also became happy. "Yes, I understand now. Thank you, Unity, for telling me that we always share our things and toys because sharing is caring. Thank you for giving me the solution. We should always share our things with our friends. I'm sorry, Dave. I will always share my things and my crayons and my colors with you." Now, everyone got the solution. Now everyone is happy. Everyone is all shiny and happy because they all got solution, right? Absolutely right. The end. Now let me ask you one question. Let me see you all have understood or not. Let me ask. Suppose you have cookies or biscuits, lovely tasty biscuits and chocolates with you. What will you do? Will you eat all the chocolates and cookies by yourself or will you share with your friends? Show me your left hand if you eat all the cookies and biscuits all by yourself. And show me your right hand if you will share with your friends. Show me, show me. Well done. See, I know this. Well done, everyone. Good job. I know that you all are so amazing. Well done, everyone. Good job. I know you kids are super kids. Super duper kids. Amazing kids, right? Good job. We always share with our friends because sharing is caring. Well done, kids. Okay. Now just tell me one thing. Who wants to play a game with me? Show me your... raise your hands. Who wants to play game? Show me thumbs up. Yay! Okay. This game is called Dave Says and Kavi Says. Can you tell me? Let me ask. Can you all tell me who is this?
Kavi. Kavi.
Kavi. And can you all tell me who is this?
Dave.
No. Who is this?
Unity.
Unity. And who is this?
Dave.
Dave. Okay. Now can you all please stand up? Quickly, please stand up. Let us play the game.
Stand up. Adu stand up.
Yes. Okay. When Dave says to dance, you all will dance. And when Unity says freeze, you all will freeze. Alright? Ready? Thumbs up. All are ready?
Yeah.
Okay. I
Adu,
was
you have
ready.
to dance. Chalo, get up. Dance.
Dance.
Adu, get up. Adu,
Dance. Come on, dance.
dance.
Dance, Advik, dance. Dance, Advik, dance. Freeze. Freeze, Adya, freeze. Freeze, everyone, freeze. Your will get out. Now, Kavi says, twist. Come on, twist. says freeze. Okay. Now Dave says jump. Jump, jump, jump.
Adu jump. Adu jump. Everyone is jumping.
Jump, one jump. Jump. Lift,
Jump.
mother, jaldi, quickly, jump. Jump. Please. Come on, freeze. Monica, freeze. Oh, yes. Yes, Divya. Very good, Rabia. Chara. Okay. Now, Kavi says clap. Clap. Jump, clap. Freeze. Everyone freeze. Come on, freeze. Now, again, Dave says dance. Come on, dance. Come on, dance. Please. Come on, please. Okay. Now, jump. Freeze. Yay, freeze. Yay. Well done, all of you. Now, Julie says, I love you all. Kavi says, I love you all. And Dave says, I love you all. And Sakshi ma'am says, I love you all. That's super kids. Love you all. Let's meet next class. Till then, please drink a lot of water and please love Mama Papa in the morning. And you all do yoga and exercise to become fit and strong. Bye. Love you all.
I love you, ma'am.
Bye.
I love
Bye,
you.
babies. Love you all.